Chillin' by the seaside, waves crashing up so high. Reggae in the moonlight,
Stars
light up the night sky.
feeling that sweet sensation like a potion so divine. And my people all around with vibes we never find. In the silent rhythm where the soul and body move. Every beat, every note, it moves as I complete.
Dancing, swaying through the reggae beat. Love and peace fill up these island streets with every strum. Thought that feels so sweet. Lively vibes can keep us off our feet.
Suns that paint the sky so red across this reggae land. Melodies that touch your heart, blazed by the dying man. Bass pounding deep like thunder, drums echoing the wind. This is how we come alive, let the groove begin. No worries, no stress in this tropical retreat. Every tune, every drop makes the moment repeat.
Dancing, swaying through the reggae beat. Love and peace fill up these island streets with every strum. Got that feels so sweet. Lively vibes can keep us off our feet.
Underneath the palms where dreams arise, feel the magic glow with open eyes, guided by the moon and distant stars.
Dancing, swaying through the reggae beat. Love and peace fill up these island streets with every strum. Got that feels so sweet. The lively vibes can keep us off our feet.